Your brain is silently reshaping itself right now, but you are probably training it to be distracted and anxious. That is why you feel mentally tired even after doing nothing difficult. Every single daily habit you repeat is either carving a pathway of mental strength or quietly destroying your focus. The good news is that your brain is highly adaptable. Through neuroplasticity, you can actively rewire your mind for happiness and deep concentration. Here are 7 simple, actionable daily habits to completely rebuild your brain. First, delay high stimulation. When you first wake up, do not reach for your phone. Avoid instant dopamine spikes like scrolling social media or checking notifications. Give your brain time to stabilize naturally and start your morning slowly. This keeps your reward baseline healthy so normal activities do not feel flat. Second, get natural light early. Step outside for 10 minutes within the first hour of waking up. This simple habit resets your internal circadian clock, which directly improves your sleep quality, energy levels, and overall daytime mood. Third, practice uninterrupted focus. Set a timer for just 20 minutes. Work on one single task without switching tabs, checking messages, or playing background videos. Task switching causes cognitive fatigue, so single tasking actively protects your mental energy. Fourth, label your negative thoughts. Your brain has a natural negativity bias designed for survival. When self-doubt or worry creeps in, do not argue with it. Simply label it mentally by saying, "This is negative thinking." This creates immediate psychological distance. Fifth, interrupt the emotional loop. When you feel a wave of anxiety, physically change your state. Take a slow, deep breath, adjust your posture, or walk to a different room. This simple physical shift breaks the automatic neurological cycle. Sixth, move your body daily. You do not need intense or exhausting workouts to see results. Simple daily movement, like a quick walk outside, releases endorphins and naturally lowers stress hormones. Since chronic stress damages focus, moving keeps your mind calm. A calm brain is a happy brain. Seventh, celebrate your small wins. Because your brain naturally overemphasizes mistakes, you must force it to see progress. Every single night, write down one thing you did right. This releases healthy dopamine, builds confidence from repeated wins, and strengthens self-trust. You do not need perfect genetics to build a powerful, happy mind. You just need consistent daily patterns. Remember, consistency is not about perfection, it is about repetition. Stop waiting for the perfect motivation to change your life. Start small, protect your attention, and subscribe to train your brain for clarity today.